Hello, everybody. How are you guys doing today? We are back for Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 11. I'm Mr. Short, helping you out today. Hey, those subscriber numbers are going up. I appreciate it. That just lets me know that we're helping more people, and that's all I'm looking for. All right, complete the table. We're going to start on page 69 today, and we have page 70. Make sure you ripped out page 71 because you're going to need to cut out this thing again. All right, your cutout protractor to help you. So make sure you have that. All right. So let's look at this one. It says angle type, angle measure estimate, and actual angle measurement. All right, so the angle type. What type of angle is this? Well, it's less than a right angle because it doesn't go straight up, right? So this is going to be a little cute one. This is an acute angle. And what's our estimate? All right, this is just your best guess. I know that a right angle goes up kind of like that, and that's 90 degrees. All right, it's kind of straight up, it's 90 degrees. Well, if I went off, cut this in half of 90 is 45. I'm going to say it's a little less than that. I'm going to guess 30 degrees. So that's my guess, 30 degrees. So I'm going to take my protractor. And if I look, I can't see my lines. So I'm going to extend this again using the paper protractor. So remember, put it on this top line as best as you can. Extend it back a little bit. And then just gently try to stay right on the edge. All right, make your line as best as you can. So now when we go on here to measure, we'll see our line coming out the top. All right, so we go on there, we look. Here's our line, it comes down. So actually, we're at about 26 degrees. Let me sharpen this pencil real quick. All right, there we go. So this one ended up being about 26 degrees. Okay, all right, we were close. We were off by 4 degrees. I call that a win. All right, our next one. All right, I'll help you with the next one. The last two, you guys are on your own. All right, the next one, our angle type. Well, again, I know there's not a box in here, and I can tell by looking at it that my right angle, 90-degree angle, would be right around here. So angle type, I'm going to say obtuse because it's over 90 but less than straight. And my angle measurement, well, if I think this is around 90, this isn't much over it. I'm going to say this is 100 degrees, right? I think it's about 10 degrees. I know half would be 90 plus 45, right? Because half of the next 90, because this is 90 degrees, right? This is 180. So I know this is 90 plus 90 at my right angle. So half of that, it's 135. I'm going to say it's less than that. I'm going to say it's about 100. Let's see if we need to draw our line again. We do. So again, because we don't have a clear protractor, put it on this line going up as best as you can. Draw your line the best you can. If it's off a tiny bit, that's not. Just try to keep it right on the edge of your paper. If you keep it on the edge of your paper, it should be pretty straight. So we put this down in the corner again. We make sure we're on our line because we're going this way. So we're using the inside because that's the 0 to the right because our angle goes this way. Come all the way around. I see my lines right there above 70. I look, I'm on the line. I come down. So this is actually about 110 to 111. All right, right around 110, 111. I'm going to say 110 degrees. I was off by 10 degrees. I'm okay with that. I can live with that. All right, so for the next two, you're going to do the same thing. But remember, just because we're going to the left, if we're going to the left, that means you want to use this outside scale, the outside 0, because that's the 0 the way the arrow is going, right? We're going to use this 0 to measure our angle. Extend your lines, okay? On this one, you can go however you want. Make sure you extend your line so you can see it. You can make this the bottom, right? You can go this way, or you can go this way, whichever way you want, okay? Either way you want on that last one. All right, let's look at page 70. Page 70 says add 7/10 plus 24/100. I know you guys got this one. We've done this together recently. You guys did an amazing job on your Module 5 exam, and this is a review for the Module 5 exam, so you guys will knock that one out of the park. All right, guys, that's it for me in Lesson 11. I'll see you for Lesson 12. Have a good night.